Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PIN on your Samsung Smart TV. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So on your Samsung Smart TV, are you trying to change your PIN or reset it? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now, and it's very easy. So the default PIN on your Samsung Smart TV is 0000. So once I go ahead and type this in, I can go ahead and change my PIN from here. But if you forgot your PIN and you need to reset it, how would you go ahead and do that? Well, this is very easy. So let's go ahead and turn off our TV by pressing the power button. Now on your remote, go ahead and locate the mute button, and we're going to want to go ahead and press mute 824 power on our remote controller. So I'm going to do that now. So pressing mute 824 power. Alright, so after pressing mute 824 power, now if I go back to the menu on my TV and I go down to security, or if I'm trying to reset my TV to the factory default, I should be able to get past that security pin screen now. So if I go down to security and go to here, now I can just press in the default password 0000. So if it is changed, you should be able to get past this screen now, and you should be able to reset your TV and do whatever else you want to go ahead and do with it. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios. And remember, mute 824 power.